Welcome to Nutrition Station, your path to vibrant health and wellness. This video is about health benefits of chia seeds. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet can offer numerous health benefits. Highly nutritious. Chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients. Rich in antioxidants. These seeds contain antioxidants that help fight free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Supports digestive health. The high fiber content in chia seeds aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. 5. May help with weight loss. Chia seeds can help you feel full longer due to their high fiber content, which may reduce overall calorie intake, improves heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Blood sugar control. Consuming chia seeds may help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Reduces inflammation. Regular intake of chia seeds may help lower inflammatory markers in the body, which are linked to various inflammatory diseases, supports bone health. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong bones. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides 18% of the recommended daily intake of calcium aids in weight management. The combination of fiber and protein in chia seeds helps to curb appetite and reduce overall calorie intake, making them a useful addition to a weight loss diet. Skin health. Antioxidants found in chia seeds, such as quercetin, can protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. This may help reduce signs of aging and improve overall skin health, boosts energy and metabolism. Chia seeds can help improve metabolic health and provide a sustained energy boost due to their balanced content of protein, fats, and fiber. Chia seeds, rich with fiber. Chia seeds are exceptionally high in fiber, with nearly 10 grams per ounce. This helps support digestive health and regulate blood sugar levels, omega-3 fatty acids. They contain a significant amount of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an important type of omega-3 fatty acid, beneficial for heart health and inflammation reduction. Protein. Chia seeds provide a good amount of protein, about 4.7 grams per ounce, making them a valuable source of plant-based protein antioxidants. They are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from free radicals and oxidative stress minerals. Chia seeds are rich in essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, all crucial for bone health and various bodily functions. Eat daily. To see the best results, if you like this video, subscribe my channel, like, comment, share, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.